Hello students, welcome to the class of Business Studies. I am NK Tukral from Edupedia World. Today I will be discussing on social responsibilities of business and business ethics. Let me brief you about social responsibilities of business. A business enterprise should do business and earn money in ways that fulfill the expectation of the society. Every individual living in society has certain obligation towards society. Maybe a businessman, maybe a company, or maybe an individual. He has to respect social values and norms of behavior. A business enterprise is permitted by society to carry on industrial or commercial activities and thereby earn profits. So, mind it. It is permitted by society. Hence, it is obligatory on the part of business enterprise not to do anything that is undesirable. What is undesirable? Means undesirable from society's point of view. Manufacture and sale of adulterated goods, corruption, making deceptive advertisements, not paying taxes which are due, polluting the environment and exploiting workers are some of the examples of socially undesirable practices which may increase the profit of enterprise but which have adverse effect on society at large. In fact, it is through socially responsible and ethically upright behavior that business enterprise can get durable success. In the long run, business enterprise always becomes successful if socially it is responsible also and it has ethical upright behavior. Now students, let's see what is the concept of social responsibilities. Social responsibility of business refers to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of the objectives and values of our society. Again I am repeating, objectives and values of our society. The assumptions of social responsibilities by business enterprise implies that they respect the aspirations of society and would try their best to contribute to the achievement of these aspirations along with their profit interest. So on the one side, profit interest is also there. On second side, aspiration of society must be fulfilled. So this is the concept of social responsibility. The very concept of social responsibility implies that it is essentially an ethical issue, since it involves the question of what is morally right or wrong in relation to firm's responsibilities. Now let us see few of the points coming under concept of social responsibility. Number one is to serve in the best interest of society. The concept of social responsibility with respect to business implies that the firm operates in a manner that it will accomplish social gains along with economic gains in which the business firm is interested and in the best interest of the society. Social gains. Now just now I said that social gain is also one of the concept of social responsibilities. The business enterprise must see that society is gaining socially. Economic gains. Social gains coming under the narrow term, whereas economic gains broader, that is in the best interest of the country. Economically, the country should take benefits from the business enterprise. So business enterprise concept is on the one side maximization of profit, on the second side social gains and economic gains. No profit maximization. A social responsible business must act with due concern for the effects on the lives of other people. Mind it, for the effects on the lives of other people. It should not keep profit maximization as the sole objective. Another point in the concept is voluntary efforts of business. Social responsibility is broader than legal responsibility, as the latter may be fulfilled by mere compliance with law, whereas the former involves voluntary efforts of business for the benefit of society. So business enterprise must voluntarily make efforts in favor of social responsibilities. Now, students, you must be aware and you must take into consideration the facts about the need for the social responsibility. What is the need? What is the right thing to do when it comes to social responsibility? Should a business enterprise be run for the benefit of its owners, who may desire to get as much profit as is profitable or possible, or else other things? Some people makes things worse against social responsibility. They go only for the profitability. Other argument, some other people, what they say, they hold an opposite view and argue that firm has a social responsibility to serve all sections of society which are affected by its decisions and actions. So on the one hand, people hold view in favor of business enterprises for maximization of gain. On the other hand, people hold view that business enterprise must see the best interest of society. There are arguments. Let us go further. What are the arguments in favor of social responsibilities? Number one is long-term interest. This is the argument given in favor of social responsibility. What is this? Long-term interest means it is in the long-term self-interest of the business to fulfill its social responsibility towards various groups of society like workers, consumers, shareholders, government officials, etc. The society may also reject an enterprise if it does not care for the social welfare. Mind it. So long-term interest means a better social set improves its public image and prospects of growth in the long run. Avoidance of government regulations. If the businessman fails to meet their social responsibilities voluntarily, then the government may intervene and enact suitable legislation to force them to assume social responsibilities. Another argument in favor of social responsibility is maintenance of society. If a businessman does not meet its social responsibilities, then people related to business may resort to anti-social activities if they feel that they are not getting their dues from the business. Availability of resources. Business enterprise have considerable financial and human resources which can be effectively used for solving social problems also. Better environment. When the society is confronted with diverse and complicated problems, then there are little chances for the success of the business. So in order to have better environment for doing business, the business should assume social responsibilities to solve problems of the society. Another argument in favor of social responsibility is converting problems into opportunities. That means it is a common saying that risk is the reward of profit bearing. So business is capable of converting risky situations into profitable deals. It not only helps in solving social problems but can also be used effectively as an opportunity for growth. Holding business responsible for social problems. Every business uses capital, physical and human resources of the society for business purposes only. So, moreover, a number of social problems like environmental pollution, unsafe workplaces, corruption, etc. arise due to activities of business enterprise. So, it is the moral responsibility of business to help society in solving such problems and devoting some of its resources in the overall development of the society. These are the arguments in favor of social responsibility. Now, let us see what are the arguments against social responsibility. What is said against social responsibility? Number one is violation of objective. Business is an economics institution which exists with the basic aims of profit maximization. Profit is necessary for survival and growth of the business, so assuming social responsibility is against this objective. Another is burden on consumers. Social responsibility like pollution control, environmental protection are very costly and often requires huge financial investment without proper returns. So people says that it is a burden on consumers. In such circumstances, businessmen would like to pass the burden of social responsibility to consumers in the form of higher prices. However, it is unfair to impose heavy burden on consumers in the name of social responsibility. Another argument against social responsibility is lack of social skills. Social problems are not solved in the way business problems are solved. So businessmen who are good at managing business may not have required skills to solve the complex social problems. Therefore, social problems should be solved by other specialized agencies. Lack of broad public support. What is set under this? Generally, public does not like involvement or interference of business in social programs. As a result, business is unable to solve social problems due to lack of confidence and cooperation of the people. When the businessman or business enterprise doesn't care for social responsibilities, there are factors which forced him and persuade him to consider their social responsibilities. They must adopt and they must do something socially in favor of public. What are the considerations? What are the factors? Let us see what are the forced considerations for social responsibility. Number one is threat of public regulation. In a democratic country like India, government is expected to take care of welfare of all sections of society. If any business enterprise operates in a socially undesirable manner, then appropriate action is taken against such enterprise. Another is pressure of labor movement. Today, labor has become far more educated and organized. As everybody knows, labor has become far more educated nowadays. Labor movements have become very powerful in taking care of interest and welfare of working class. So this is the factor which force business enterprise. Impact of consumer consciousness. The consumers are very conscious nowadays. They are well educated. The growth of mass media and increasing competition have made them further conscious of their rights and powers. So this is a factor. Another consideration factor who goes and who make responsible for social responsibility. Development of social standards. Today business enterprise not allowed to operate just for money. According to new social standards, business should also serve social needs in addition to achieving economic objective of profit. Development of business education. With the development of business education, consumers, investors, employees or owners have become more sensitive towards the social issues. Educated businessmen have now become more aware of the social purpose of the business. Another consideration is social interest and business interest. Business enterprises have started realizing that social and business interests are complementary and not contradictory to each other. They have also realized that long-term benefit of business lies in serving the society well. Similarly, business is now recognized as an essential element of modern civilized society, and this becomes a forced consideration. Another is development of professional class. In the present scenario, professional managers have altogether different attitude towards social responsibility as compared to earlier class of workers. They are more interested in satisfying various interest groups associated with the business than merely following profit goals. So these are the considerations or these are the factors which make business enterprise accountable towards society. So these are the points we have covered today. This is all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.